Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the SafeSync GPS tracker. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So links in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it here opened up on Amazon, the SafeSync GPS tracker. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just like an AirTag. You just put it somewhere, for example in your bag, and if it gets lost, you can basically just track it anywhere. So if you're wondering if this product is legit, so we can just scroll down here and see reviews. So this person said that is satisfied. This person said that junk also lets thieves know they're being tracked, not precise location, rather get an AirTag, cheap version of AirTag. So please guys, if you want to try this product out, you can. However, it's not very good. Also, it's not a scam entirely. It's just that it's not a good product. If you want to really tag or something, I would advise you just to get an AirTag instead of this one, since AirTags are very accurate and very safe and doesn't beep or do anything. And yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.